In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize and rotate objects using Free Transform in Photoshop. Free Transform is the quickest way to scale and rotate anything on your canvas, whether it's a photo, a shape, or a text layer. It gives you a visual bounding box with handles so you can see exactly how the object will change before you commit. Let's walk through it clearly so you feel confident every time you use it. Start by selecting the layer or object you want to change. Make sure the right layer is highlighted in the Layers panel so you're adjusting exactly what you intend. If your object is part of a group or a smart object, that's fine. Free Transform works just the same. Now open the Free Transform tool by going to the Edit menu and choosing Free Transform. If you prefer shortcuts, use Ctrl+T on Windows or CMD+T on Mac. You'll see a box appear around your selection with handles on the corners and edges. That's your workspace for resizing and rotating. To scale the object, click and drag any corner or edge. Corners affect width and height together, while side handles stretch along one axis. Keep an eye on the overall look so you don't accidentally squash your image. For precise, natural-looking scaling, hold Shift as you drag to keep the proportions locked. This is especially important for photos and logos where distortion is noticeable. If you want the object to grow or shrink from the center instead of from one side, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac while you drag. This is a great way to keep something centered in a layout while changing its size. You can combine this with Shift to scale proportionally from the center. To rotate, move your cursor just outside any corner of the box. When the cursor changes to a curved double arrow, click and drag to rotate to the angle you want. Watch your object and the visual guides to keep it aligned with other elements in your design. As you work, remember that nothing is final until you apply the transform. When you're happy with the size and rotation, press Enter on Windows or Return on Mac to commit your changes. That will lock in the transform and let you move on. That's all there is to it. Select your layer, open Free Transform, resize with the handles, use Shift for proportional scaling, Alt or Option to scale from the center, rotate